Good evening, guys. Today I am so happy to show you my favorite case for my new AirPod Pro 2 Type C. It is from iBlason, the Cosmo series. As you know from my previous video, I always love iBlason accessory. They look very cool and affordable. I bought it from Taobao China for only around $14. So let's look around the box and see what inside. Okay, as you can see, the Cosmo series sticker. Okay, here the installation instruction. You can go to this link for how to install it. Nothing else. The QR, the iBlason. It's made in China. Okay, let's go inside. Up. Okay, here there is how to install it. You have to remove the tape, and this is a two-part case, as you can see. Okay, and here is the case itself. You can see there is a strap. Okay, the strap feel very nice. Okay, here is the case itself. Up. Okay, it's all up. Okay, it feel very creepy. Okay, it help it help to give you some creepy feeling to your slippery AirPod Pro 2. Okay, here the iBlason. Okay, here's the clear reflective gold color. You see a hole for the Type C and the speaker grill. Okay, here is the top part. Okay, let's see how it fit with the AirPod Pro 2. Okay, let's install it. Okay, you have to push it in, and you have to remove the tape. Okay, everything fit nice and snug. Okay, up. Okay, here you can see the case provide a clear view of the LED light. Okay, so it feel very premium. Okay, the case is made of a shock absorbing TPU that protect uh, your AirPod Pro 2 from scrap, bump or fall. It has a PU leather strap that provide extra security against loss or theft. It also support the LED light, as you already see, and the wireless charging is also working. Okay, let's test the wireless charging. Unfortunately, I don't have the wireless charging pad, but I have my Samsung Galaxy C Fold 6 that support uh, wireless power sharing. So let's test it out. Okay, okay, as you can see, it works. Okay, let's install the strap. Up. Okay, the strap is already fitting. So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you all and bye bye.